I didn't have the early chance. I don't think that's me. I definitely didn't have a command Dora. Sanction, Helios, I had it from Mizzou. 1 times 351. That's unfortunate. It's mostly because it's on me whilst I was first play. Okay, I believe...
I beat it! 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 Oh my god! Oh! Oh no way! Oh no way! Oh no way! Oh! Yes, dude! Yes! Oh, thank God I didn't. Thank God I didn't die at the end. I actually might have killed myself. Okay. Okay.